Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we have another ASMR video, and this one is the SteelSeries Black Ice Edition gaming mouse with a real RGB color changing LED light. So let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, I got this out of GameStop for $39.99 each. So I purchased 3 of them again. So total is about 130 something. Plus with the tax and everything, but free shipping. So let's go ahead and open this up. Somehow this time the box is much smaller, so maybe try to cut down the shipping costs. So here's the quantity, the SKU number, product description, and then unit price. Total is $119.97 plus tax. So it's about $130 with some change. Oh, this one has some kind of sticker. I'm not sure if this was pulled out from their retail store or not. Oh, there's another sticker right here too. By the way, this one is the 6 Siege gaming edition. So, and this is the Prime. Come with the charging cable, and here's the sensitivity, max speed, max acceleration, and then switch type, switch rating, design, onboard memory, all the goodie stuff. It's compatible with the PC, Mac, and then Xbox. By the way, I already opened already, so I'm not gonna open it again. So in case you guys need to check it out, how to changing the light color on this wheel. It's RGB, so you can change to any color or the different kind of stealth or flashing mode, which is pretty awesome. I'll link into another video within the description so you could check them out. Alright, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next